welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about the difference between a fitness bike and a regular road bike. This one is a great starter bike. I used this when I was a mountain bike rider and then decided to try my hand at road. But I was a little nervous. I didn't like the drop down handlebars. So this one is a fitness bike by Giant. These bikes are known for having their flat handlebars. Mine has climbing bars because where I live we have a lot of hills, and so these just help you climb. This one also has a wider seat. I put on 2 cages for my water bottles because, again, lots of hills, need lots of water. I use cleats, but you don't have to. My daughter just uses the standard pedals. She doesn't like to be clipped in, she doesn't like cages, and she does fine with her. So this is a fitness bike by Giant. Handlebars sit you up a little higher so you can see behind you, look for traffic. Recommend, if you're in the market for one, that you go to your bike shop and they'll do a great job fitting you for one. And you can buy them online as well, but yeah, that's what I would recommend. Here is my road bike. I love this bike. It's by Specialized. I was able to buy it used. They run new, only around $1,000. They're not that expensive, but they are amazing. It was my next move up from my fitness bike. Has the drop down handles. Again, this one has 2 cogs and 9 in the back, and I'm perfectly fine with that riding around here. Again, I put 2 cages on it for my water bottle. A little narrower seat, but so smooth when riding, and lighter than my Giant, lighter than my fitness bike. And my little lights on the front and the back for when I'm riding in the evening. Yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below, but I love this bike. I would recommend going into the store and getting fitted for one if you're in the market, because they'll set you up with your pedals and make sure that everything's correct. Thank you for watching. I'm about to go out on my ride now. I'm going to do a little montage of the area where I like to cycle around here, and enjoy.